Hello dear students, I am Prateek sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about the basic concepts of chapter 6, lines and angles. Basic terms and definitions related to the chapter lines and angles. First definition is point. A point is an exact location and is represented by a fine dot made by a sharp pen or a pencil or any other object on a sheet of paper. For example, if we want to make a dot A, dot Q, dot X, we'll put a dot that will represent a point. What is a line? A line is a straight path that is endless in both the directions. If I ask you to draw a line, you can draw a line of any length. Someone will make a line of 5 centimeter, will make a line of 6 centimeter, someone will make a line of any length, because a line has not a fixed length. It can be extended both the sides. You can see arrow is there both the sides. It means it can be extended to the left hand side, to the right hand side, both the directions it can be extended. Now comes to a ray. A part of a line with one end point is called a ray. There is one end point and another side it can be extended up to any extent. Next is line segment. A part of a line with two end points is called a line segment. A line segment has a definite length. It is denoted by line AB. A line segment has both the side end points are there. We cannot extend a line segment to any of the side. It is ended at both the ends. So a line segment has a definite length. Next definition, collinear and non-collinear points. If three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, the points are called non-collinear points. Here you can see P, Q and R. These are the 3 points in the same straight line. So these are collinear points. Here points A, B, C, D, E, all these are in the same straight line. These are also collinear points. Here point A, B and C. If we join these 3 points together with each other, these are not in the same straight line. So these are non-collinear points. Similarly, these points A, B, C, D, E, these are not in the same straight line. These are also non-collinear points. Next basic concept is intersecting and non-intersecting lines. Now what are intersecting lines? Two lines which cuts at one point, that lines are known as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines can never be parallel to each other. Remember this, that intersecting lines can never be parallel to each other. Two lines which cuts at one point, they are intersecting. Two lines which are parallel to each other, they are always non-intersecting lines. For non-intersecting lines, this is a must, this is 100% must to that the lines should be parallel to each other, because parallel lines only when produced in any of the direction will never meet, never intersect at one point. So parallel lines are non-intersecting lines. Next is types of angles. You all know types of angles. Acute angle, more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Right angle, exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle, exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And complete angle, exactly 360 degree. Next is pair of angles. Complementary and supplementary angles. Difference between complementary and supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. and two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. For example, two angles 30 and 60, their sum is 90, so these two angles are complementary angles. Two angles 42 and 48, their sum is 90 degree, these are complementary angles. 35, 55, their sum is 90, so these two angles are complementary. 120 and 60, these two are supplementary angles because their sum is 180. 105 and 75, their sum is 180. 20 and 160, their sum is 180. So these angles are supplementary angles. There can be more complementary angles which you can write on your own, more supplementary angles which you can write. Next is adjacent angles and linear pair of angles. Adjacent angles are two angles which are close to each other and have a same common vertex, same common arm, that is OC. Angle AOC and angle BOC, these two are adjacent angles. Linear pair of angles means two angles which are adjacent to each other and their sum measures 180 degree. Here angle AOC and angle BOC, these are adjacent angles also, and their sum is equals to 180 degree. These two angles are on the same straight line, that's why their sum will be equals to 180 degree. These type of angles are linear pair of angles. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. Thank you.